Tired of the SharpDX Managed DirectX DLL error happening during a loading screen? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Let's optimize your gaming environment and kill that pop-up for good. Before we get started with SharpDX Managed DirectX, you may want to try the diagnostic path below to ensure your system is properly synchronized. This is the SharpDX Managed DirectX, a managed wrapper for the DirectX API used by C-tier developers for games like space engineers and 3D modeling tools. It provides a direct link between .NET code and the GPU. If missing, the parent app will fail to initialize the graphics device, reporting an assembly load failure or a direct 3D exception. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. The presence of SharpDX Managed DirectX DLL is required for the SharpDX Project engine to function, so you should perform a clean reinstall of the application, showing the error to redeploy the correct version of this dependency. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including SharpDX Managed DirectX. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. Since the restart didn't stabilize your graphics files, let's manually refresh the multimedia layer by running the DirectX end-user runtime installer. This package targets the specific legacy binaries that modern games require to initialize their engines, and it will overwrite any corrupted version of your DLL file currently on your drive. Why are we doing this? Well, modern Windows installations skip these older files during setup, so running the standalone runtime ensures that the file is properly registered and available for your software. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Be highly suspicious of any site that recommends disabling your endpoint protection to install SharpDX Managed DirectX DLL, as this is a standard red flag for malicious software injection. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. If you're addressing SharpDX Managed DirectX inconsistencies or system resource gaps, the link below provides informational maintenance resources. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved SharpDX Managed DirectX workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.